Hello fellow YouTubers. Well, this 2003 PT Cruiser is like any other PT Cruiser. The headlights go foggy, and we're gonna fix that. Both of them. Very foggy. Feels like sandpaper on there. But we're gonna fix that up, and I'm gonna show you what I'm using. I'm using the Napa Body Pro Headlight and Paint Scratch Restorer, before and after, and we're gonna give this a try. So let's get on and make these headlights new again. Okay, the instructions say headlight preparation. Mask around headlights. Open or mask hood to prevent paint damage. On immediate contour area, use a masking paper to protect the paint. I think I protected it. Okay, dry or wet polishing. 3 steps. Use a low-speed drill. Velcro pad and polishing pads included in the kit. Sanding can be done dry or wet by wetting the polishing paper with water. Start with 800 grit paper and continue with 1000 and then 1500 grit. So let's do that right now. 800 it is. Okay, let's try this out. Low speed. Oh yeah, look at that. I should really use both hands. It's very hard to control the drill. Okay, I'm gonna wetten up that sandpaper and do some more. Okay, well, my battery died out on the drill, cordless drill, and I just, about an hour later, it's recharged. So let's keep doing this. Okay, soak the sandpaper some more. I'm gonna do it with 2 hands because I can control the drill better, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is all nice and somewhat smooth. Still cloudy as hell, but I'm gonna go to the 1000 grit now and make it wet and do the fine sanding. Okay, 1000 grit it is. Okay, I'm going to use both hands because it's more controllable that way. Okay, so that was the 1000 grit sandpaper, wet paper. So we're gonna try the 2000 now, and it's starting to come out a little bit better, and we'll see what the 2000 does, and hopefully it'll come out so it's almost like new. Okay, so here's the 2000. Wet that down a bit more. Okay, I'm gonna use both hands now because my one hand, or one arm, is getting sore. Okay. Okay, let's wash this off. That looks better. Much better. Okay, so I think the last thing we do, well, we'll let it dry. Well, that's really nice and smooth. We'll let it dry, and then we buff it with some polish. So I'll get a rag, wipe that off, wipe it dry, and then we'll put the polish on. So here's some scratch remover, restoration, reconditioning, and here is the buffing pad. So let's give this a try. Okay, dry this off. Good. Okay, let's shake this up. And then put some on. Oops. Yeah, it could be. Yeah. Could be too much, but we'll find out. That doesn't look too bad, eh? Not bad at all. Well, this is quite nice. I'm very happy with this. I'm very pleased with this. Okay, well, I'm gonna do the other headlight. I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. There's many ways of doing this, and stay tuned for more, because I got lots of work ahead of me for this summer. So thanks again. Bye for now.